We are coming to question number 5. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make the conical tent of height 8 meter and the base radius 6 centimeter? Height of the tent is given, base radius is given. You have how much tarpaulin is required to make the tent. Assuming that extra length for material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting approximately 20 centimeter. For cutting and stitching margin and all, we are getting 20 centimeter extra required. Okay, that's all. Let's find out now. First, what length of tarpaulin is required? Because say how much tarpaulin is required and how much length of the tarpaulin you have to buy. That's the question. Okay, the conical tent, the tent is become, height is given. Height of the tent is, we know. Height is equal to, it is 8 meter, and the radius we know. Radius R is equal to 6 meter. So let's find the slant height first. Okay, slant height of the tent. Slant height L is equal to root over h square plus r square. Okay, that is equal to root over, height is becoming 8 meter, the whole square. Height is 8 square plus radius 6 meter. So 6 meter the whole square. All together is become 88 are become 64 meter square and 6 are 36 meter square. All together is root over 100 meter square. That means it is 10 meter. 10 tens are 100, we know, right? So we know that, we know the slant height of the conical tent, we know. But what do you want the question? How much area of canvas required? See, then only we can find the length of canvas, right? Now area of canvas required to make the tent, okay? You know, slant height 10 meter. Now area of canvas, area of the canvas is required, not canvas here, I think tarpaulin, and area of tarpaulin required to make the tent. Make the tent, conical tent. Okay, so that means what can be here? CSA of the conical tent. It's called CSA of the tent. Curved surface area of the tent. How much canvas tarpaulin required to make the tent, or how much canvas? This canvas is tarpaulin there. So CSA is become pi or L. So pi into R into L. Pi value is already given by the question. 3.14. That is 3.14, and radius we know it is 6 meter into slant height we call 10. So meter square area. Okay, let's multiply now. So 314 1 by 6. 6 4 are 24. So 2 in hand, and 6 plus 2 8, right? Then it is become 18. So it is coming 1 8 8 4, and 1 0 will come, and 2 place of decimal, this 0 will be cut off. That means meter square. We need that 188.4 meter square canvas required. Okay, that's better. Now the width of the canvas, when you go and buy the canvas in the rectangular shape will be there. It will be in the rectangular shape. And the width of the canvas is given 3 meter. Okay. How much length will buy? But area, this area, we know area. This how much area required? This is the area required. Tarpaulin required 188.4 meter square. Tarpaulin is required. So you want to find the length of the canvas, but the width of the canvas given. Length is equal to, length of the canvas equal to area by width of the canvas. Why? So, you know, area is equal to length into breadth. If you want length, what come here? Breadth will come down. Area by breadth is equal to length. That means if we want to find the length of the canvas, area, how much area of the canvas required divided by the width of the canvas. Okay, right? So what is the width of the canvas given? Is 3 meter, very clearly given. Right? Since the width of the canvas tarpaulin, since the width of the tarpaulin is 3 meter, therefore length of the tarpaulin required. Length of the tarpaulin required is equal to, what can be a length is equal to area by width. Area of canvas or area of tarpaulin divided by width of the tarpaulin. Width. That means area how much we can say, and divided by the width. Okay. So area, you know, area how much that? Area become 188.4 by meter square divided by width is become 3 meter. Already given 3 meter. So meter cut off. Here 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6 and 2 24, 3 8s are 24. 62.8 meter and canvas is required. The length is required. But while cutting and the stitching margins and all, we wasted 20 centimeters wasted. Okay, the 20 centimeters will be added because that much length we record to pi it. Okay, extra length. See, extra length record. How much extra length record for cutting? Extra length for cutting and waist stitch together. Cutting and waist stitch. How much that? It is become 20 centimeter. That means the centimeter should be converted into meter because these all are into the meter. So centimeter can make into meter divided by 100. So 1010 cut off. Here dividing by 10 means 1 place of decimal and 0.2 meter extra length is required. Therefore total length of canvas required. Total length of tarpaulin required. How much required? First become you need 62.8 meter and plus extra 0.2 meter. Altogether it becomes 63.0 meter. 0 is cut off, 63 meter. So you know how to add it. 62 point. You know that? Okay. 62.8 and 0.2. 10. Okay, 3, 6. I hope you understand that. So let's go to question number 7.